السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. هذه قصيدة من قصائد معازز الجماعة الأحمدية في مدح خاتم النبيين حضرة ميرزا غلام أحمد القادياني عليه السلام. يا عين فيد الله والعرفان يسعى إليك الخلق كظمآن يا بحر فضل المنعم المنان تهوي إليك الزمر بالكيزان يا شمس ملك الحسن والإحسان نورت وجه البر والعمران يا من غدا في نوره وديائه كالنيرين ونور الملوان يا بدرنا يا آية الرحمن أهدى الهدى سوى أشجع الشجعان إني أرى في وجهك المتهلل شأنا يفوق شمائل الإنسان. Meaning, O you are the fountain of Allah's munificence and a perfect understanding of Allah. People rush towards you thirstily. O you who are the ocean of Allah's grace, who is the bestower of favors, exceedingly beneficent, hearts of thirsty people hurry towards you, holding their bowls in hand. O you are the son of the spiritual kingdom of beauty and grace, you have spiritually illumined the inhabitants of the deserts as well as the cities. O you whose divine light and luminescence has rendered him like the twin luminaries, the sun and the moon, lighting up day as well as night. O our full moon, O sign of the gracious Allah, O you who are the greatest spiritual guide, bravest among the braves. I certainly see such glory in your sparkling face, which transcends all known human attributes. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.